Welcome to the channel. Can you believe wood can turn into toilet paper? Watch till the end of the video to see the surprise. Our journey begins deep within sustainably managed pine forests. Sourced from sustainable forests, skilled foresters ensure every tree is ready for its purpose. The journey begins in sustainable forests where advanced machinery harvests timber responsibly. The journey of quality tissue begins with responsibly sourced raw materials arriving at our modern facility. Here, skilled technicians meticulously manage the initial stages of pulp creation. Water and wood chips combine, beginning the transformation into a smooth, consistent pulp. The raw fibers begin to dissolve, forming a nascent yet still coarse pulp slurry. The slurry refines, achieving the perfect consistency for the next production stage. Our process begins with carefully selected raw materials, transforming them into the foundation of quality. Fibers are carefully separated, forming a uniform, pure slurry. Advanced chlorine-free technology ensures our paper is bright, safe, and gentle on skin. A delicate web of interlocking fibers begins to emerge. Precision crimping creates the signature softness and absorbency our customers expect. From humble origins, our raw materials become large parent rolls ready for final conversion. The journey begins transforming raw materials into the essential pulp for softness and strength. Skilled hands guide every stage, ensuring precision in the transformation process. From the pulper, a consistent stream of refined pulp begins its journey to purification. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Advanced screening removes impurities, preparing the pulp for its transformation into premium tissue. Multiple stages of screening ensure every particle is meticulously purified for exceptional quality. The now pristine pulp slurry advances a testament to our rigorous cleaning and bleaching standards. Our dynamic process ensures continuous high-speed cleaning, vital for superior tissue production. Precision maintenance ensures the purest fibers for our premium tissue products. Regular screening removes impurities, safeguarding the paper's integrity and softness. Only perfectly clean screens ensure the refined quality of our final product. Advanced ECF bleaching ensures our paper is bright, safe, and environmentally conscious. Raw pulp enters a tall tower where advanced chlorine-free bleaching begins its transformation.
Western. The elemental chlorine-free process safely transforms the fibers, resulting in soft, bright white, multiply.
Inside the tower, the pulp gradually lightens, shedding impurities to achieve pristine brightness. Exiting the tower, the pulp is now brilliantly white, a testament to the efficient bleaching process. The towering bleaching unit stands as a symbol of the advanced technology at work. The perfectly bleached pulp now flows smoothly, destined for the next stage of tissue paper formation. Precision is paramount in every step, ensuring the highest quality product. Careful sampling ensures accurate assessments of pulp brightness. Specialized lighting reveals the true brilliance of the processed fibers. Every data point is meticulously recorded, ensuring consistent product excellence. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The diluted pulp slurry is precisely sprayed, beginning the transformation into soft tissue. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee this delicate initial stage of paper formation. Advanced technology efficiently removes water, leaving behind a pristine sheet of interlocking fibers. Precision engineering and expert hands ensure the consistent quality of every sheet. From liquid slurry to a nascent web, the journey to become a soft, bright white tissue paper progresses. Fibers interlock as water drains, beginning the transformation into our premium tissue. Skilled hands ensure precision, guiding the nascent paper web through its delicate formation. Heat gently embraces the web, preparing it for the unique creping process. The unique creeping process creates the signature softness and absorbency our customers expect. Precision begins as raw pulp transforms meticulously guided onto the mesh, forming the very foundation of quality. The delicate web forms fibers interlocking with expert precision, laying the groundwork for strength and absorbency. Upon the vast Yankee dryer, the paper web gently adheres, beginning its transformation into a soft, dry sheet. A precise blade creates the signature crepes, enhancing the paper's softness and essential absorbency. From careful control emerges the flawless sheet, a testament to skilled hands and meticulous production. The damp paper web begins its journey adhering to the colossal Yankee dryer. Across the massive cylinder, the paper web transforms from damp pulp to soft tissue. A precisely angled blade gently scrapes the dried paper, creating tiny folds for ultimate softness. This meticulous scraping not only dries, but also imparts the unique softness of tissue paper. Having achieved optimal dryness and texture, the paper transitions to the next stage of production. This precise operation creates the paper's signature softness and absorbency. Skilled workers ensure the machinery operates with flawless precision. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each fold is a testament to the meticulous engineering behind every sheet. Precision and innovation craft the ideal texture for unparalleled softness. Every sheet undergoes rigorous inspection for ultimate quality and comfort. Our commitment to excellence ensures both strength and gentle care. The meticulous process guarantees a superior product every time. Precision machinery brings layers of tissue together for intricate patterns. Skilled American workers ensure every detail meets our high standards. The newly patterned tissue begins its transformation into large parent rolls. Precision embossing rollers delicately press patterns, binding the plies without adhesives. The embossed pattern is applied, subtly binding multiple layers of tissue for enhanced strength. Seamlessly, the two plies merge, then are locked together by the elegant embossing process. Observe the intricate detail, a subtly embossed pattern perfecting both aesthetics and function. Each turn forms the foundation of a massive parent roll, a testament to efficiency. Expert workers meticulously oversee every crucial stage. From a thin sheet, a colossal roll emerges, ready for transformation. The immense parent roll weighing tons stands as a symbol of precision manufacturing. Robotic precision ensures flawless integration, moving materials with exacting care. Seamless automation guides the massive roll towards its next crucial phase. The converting machine stands ready, a giant roll awaiting its transformation into finished products. Precision begins as massive rolls of tissue paper feed seamlessly into advanced cutting machines. High-speed saws work with robotic precision, transforming continuous logs into perfectly sized rolls. Each roll emerges perfectly formed, ready for the next steps in its journey. Precision and efficiency guide every finished roll to its final package. Specialized machinery meticulously wraps each bundle, ensuring freshness and protection. The finished packages emerge ready for distribution to homes worldwide. Automated precision ensures every pack meets the highest standards. Robotic systems meticulously build stable pallets ready for distribution. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. A final human inspection guarantees premium quality for every household.